My body was disharmonized, my frequency, because of the EMF. So I developed these reactions, like every now and then I would have hives, swollen face, itchy nose, watery eyes, and every time I inhale a bit of smoke or exposure to air condition, I would start to sneeze, almost like 10, 20, continuously sneezing, unless I exit out of the door, then I'll be able to feel. So it led me to develop also a wheezing. I would wheeze and then I go on regular nebulizers and all that. And during the time of the launching of JM 2014, because I was also with the leadership in preparation to logistic, when we went into the hotel, I was having that attack also. And then they were talking about the alpha spin, and then I began to realize, I said, maybe this is something that I have. So at that time, our Mama Sarah was there, and they were talking about the alpha spin. So I just got to her and I said, can you alpha spin? Because I was excited. If you can alpha spin the water, I wanted to drink. And as soon as she alpha spin the water, when I took it instantly, the watery eyes and the nose, everything just suddenly stopped. Wow. And then I was able to control the whole day. And then when I saw that, I said, can you do another one, and then until they left after the launching. And then I searched out to, wanting to have the desire to have the alpha spin, because I understood. Now, from the time when I was exposed, introduced to the alpha spin, so to say, until today, I hardly sneeze in the mornings when I wake up. In the afternoons, no more wheezing. I don't have any of this kind of reaction. I know there are certain times as a nurse, you're exposed to the flu, the viral, that is normal. But the one that I know that I've abnormally has, interacted is no longer present in me. Yes. So up until today, even now, like with the air conditioning in the evenings, I would be already beginning to have. But from that time on, since 2014 up to now, I'm free from this. Thank you very much.